Hello everyone, it's Tufa, and today we're doing commercial on. So, the best thing is you just basically wash your hands at the sink. But today we're going to be showing you more things you can do with soap. Okay, so first thing, you can use it as self-defense. So, take this. That was easy. You can use it as a prank. Ah! I'm scaring my eyes. Ah! And the best thing is, yeah, you wash your hands with it. So we're gonna get some reviews on people of how they think about it. So they're right over here. So guys, what do you think about? What do you think about this? Well, it smelled kind of funny when I was washing my hands. What do you mean it smelled funny? I mean it smelled like vomit. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, it smelled like vomit. It smelled terrible. Well, I've never really even smelled it, but okay. Next person. What do you think about it? It was terrible. It smelled awful. Okay. What do you think about it? Well, it did clean my hands, but it kind of makes my hands smell funny. You should smell it. Okay. And the last person is Blue Yoshi. What do you think about it? Well, it smelled like vomit. Don't know why it just did. Just smell. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. See, told you. Oh no. What? I think all of them are going to smell like that. Why? Because when I got sick, I kind of, curled on in there. So, and then it went through the machine and it turned it into soap. But shouldn't that be only one? No, since I haven't made it all turn into that. Oh no. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching the commercial and I hope you enjoyed. So, bye and see you later.